Welcome to this very large and open kitchen with these great windows, a lot of natural light, a lot of cabinetry as you can see, and this large peninsula countertop. Got some snow on the floor. It is snowing outside there, but nice bright big windows, great flooring. I'm going to give you a quick view again of this large living room and dining room combination as well as the kitchen. Good size. Down this hall is the first bedroom. You enter, there's some carpet, needs some cleaning. Very large closet. This is the closet area. It is missing the doors that go into this tract on the floor here. But someone's painted it this nice, gray color, a good light fixture. That window, however, is broken. Here's the furnace, and then down the hall further is this first entrance to the large bathroom. Nice and spacious bathroom, stand-up shower. Here's where the washer dryer would hook up with these above cabinet storage, as well as this door that opens up to shelving unit. That toilet's a little chipped. The lid is chipped. You've got these double sinks, and then you can be out into the other exit or entrance to the bathroom, which is off of this back bedroom that does have some staining in the ceiling. The paint needs to be touched up. Very large closet. Couple entrances, one to the hall with the electrical panel behind it and one to the bathroom, and then out to the egress back door.